Good morning, class. Here comes again. Last time I have uploaded educational video about triple integration, and there was a comment there that I have to start with power formula. They have requested power formula, so I am going to start or present another for power formula. The power formula is this, the integral of u and du, where n is actually the power, and then you will just agree the u into the du. Then the formula is copy the u, copy the n, and then you add plus 1, and then whatever is the power n plus 1, place that in the denominator n plus 1, then plus c, the constant. It's because the starting part is the indefinite integration. We do not have any upper and lower limits. So I will just present a very simple illustration about this. So example number 1, integral, that is like example I have w7 power dw. So all you have to do, just go directly in the formula. You copy the w, and then 7, then plus 1, and then over 7 plus 1 equals, and then just copy there, and then you have w 8 power over 8, then plus c constant, and then that's a very simple illustration for that power formula. I will give you another example. Example number 2, example integral of 2x plus 7 raised to the power of 5 dx. Now at this point, this is another unique example wherein you are going to determine the u. The u here is u equals 2x plus 7. Then just get the derivative of that du, that is 2 dx. Of course, the derivative of 7, that is constant, is equivalent to 0. And then your n now is equivalent to 5. So try to recopy that portion. So integral of 2x plus 7 raised to the power of 5. Now since your du portion, there is a 2, then here, originally, you do not have any 2. You have to place there with 2, then you have 2x, so that by roots in mathematics, you will not divide, you will have to write here 1/2, so that 2 times 1 divided by 2, it just gives you the original given. So, now, your u agrees with your du. It's now time for you to use the power formula. This is now at the outside portion, so you will have copy u n plus 1, so you will have 2x plus 7 raised to the power 5, then you will have 5 plus 1, you will have no need to write there 5 plus 1 first, then over, then 5 plus 1 plus c. Then you simplify now. That is equivalent to 1/2. Then we will have 2x plus 7, 2x plus 7. Then of course 5 plus 1, that is 6 over, we have to have here 6 plus c. Then try to simplify the last. You can copy there 2x plus 7 raised to the power of 6. Then 2 times 6 will have 12. So then plus c, that will be your final answer. So this is different from example number 1 because that is example number 1 is very basic.